dx by, now find out LCM and multiply as cos alpha into 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. Again, write as dx by cos alpha plus cos alpha tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. Now dx by cos alpha plus 1, write as 1 plus cos alpha, and from tan square x by 2 and this part take common tan square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 common 1 minus cos alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square x by 2. Dx into sec square x by 2 by, write 1 plus cos alpha as 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus tan square x by 2, and for 1 minus cos alpha write 2 sin square alpha by 2. Now write as take 2 common, 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dx by cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2 tan square x by 2. Now put tan x by 2 t, put tan x by 2 is equal to t, therefore sec square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. Is equal to 2 dt. And let now write for sec square x by 2 dx, write here 2 dt. 2 by 2 dt by cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2 t square. Now divide this term and multiply. Now divide and multiply denominator by sin square alpha by 2. Then the remaining parts will be dt by sin square alpha by 2. Here will be cot square alpha by 2, and here will be t square. Now write as let cot alpha by 2 is equal to a. Then we can write here 1 by sin square alpha by 2 dt by a square minus t square. Now it can be written as 1 by sin square alpha by 2 into 1 by 2a log a plus t by a minus t plus c. Now put the value of a is equal to 1 by sin square alpha by 2 into 1 by 2 into cot alpha by 2 log cot alpha by 2 plus tan x by 2 by cot alpha by 2 minus tan x by 2 plus c. Now is equal to 1 by 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 into log cos alpha minus x by 2 by cos alpha plus x by 2 plus c is equal to 1 by sin alpha log cos alpha minus x by 2 by cos alpha plus x by 2 plus c is equal to cosec alpha log cos alpha minus x by 2 by cos alpha plus x by 2 plus c. एक मिनट रुको. Solution of this sum is given here step by step. If you have any problems in the solution of this sum, you can watch my channel, and this is the final answer of this sum. Here we have changed this cot alpha. If you change cot alpha by 2 and tan x by 2 into cos and sin form, then you will get this part. As here will be cos alpha by 2 by sin alpha by 2, here will be sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, and same here also. And by LCM, you will get cos alpha by 2 into cos x by 2, here you will get sin alpha by 2 into sin x by 2 minus, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B is equal to cos A minus B. That's why here it is written cos alpha minus x by 2, and here cos alpha plus x by 2. And this is the final answer. Okay.